Do you hear that? It's the subtle, rhythmic ticking of the clock on your office wall, marking the seconds of your life. You are trading away time for a status you don't truly own. If you're over 30, you've spent the last decade climbing a ladder. The higher you go, the less air there is to breathe. You have the title, the salary, and respect, but do you have your soul? In 2026, the world moves at a velocity that makes the previous decade look like a slow-motion film. You are productive, but are you free? Are you building a legacy of freedom, or are you just a high-performing hamster on a gold-plated wheel? The system loves you when you're busy. Today, we engage the evolutive shift. You don't need another side hustle. You need a system so robust it thrives on your absence. I will give you 3 set and forget engines to capture human growth and focus it directly into your retirement fund. This is your blueprint. Think about the ecstasy of a Tuesday morning 3 years from now. You wake up without an alarm, present with your family. You check your sovereignty dashboard and see the 5,000 most powerful companies on earth were working for you while you slept. The first engine of your liberation is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI. It is the most powerful claim to ownership created. You own the AI titans like Nvidia, the healthcare giants like Eli Lilly, and industrial masters like Tesla. You own the entire race. VTI is self-healing. When a company fails, it is removed. When an innovator rises, it is added. You don't have to pick winners. Every dollar you put here is a soldier that will never stop fighting for your freedom. But a sovereign investor looks beyond borders. Your second engine is the Vanguard Total International Stock Market ETF, or VXUS. You become a global owner of 8,000 companies. You own semiconductor masters in Taiwan and luxury empires in France. VXUS is your global shield against a falling dollar. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. You are deciding that your future belongs to you, not to your firm or your clients. If you are ready to be the architect of your destiny, subscribe now and hit the notification bell for our weekly sovereignty blueprint. The third engine, the Holy Grail, is the Vanguard Total World Stock Market ETF, or VT. It's the entire world in one box. VT weights your investment based on global market cap. If Asia surges, VT buys more Asia. The market does the work for you. This is the end game. Wisest people on earth use this because they know time is better spent evolving than trying to beat the market. To execute this in 2026, ignore the noise and focus on the process. Automate your liberation. You need to be an owner. Close your eyes and imagine your life at the end of 2026. Your money made more in a month than your job did. That is the feeling of the chains breaking. You are the architect of a legacy that will support your family forever. Freedom is a conquest achieved through ownership. Start your journey today. Buy the world and build your empire in the background. Watch the setup video on the screen to automate these ETFs. This is Evolutive, productive. Stay focused, stay sovereign, evolve.